Good evening, everyone. What a wonderful event. Medtronic is proud to support the Canadian College of Health Leaders National Awards Program and to recognize organizations that are changing the way care is delivered, resulting in improved patient outcomes. I know we can all get behind that. We're very pleased to announce the recipient of this year's recognition in delivering value-based healthcare. And the recipient is the Centre I practiced, I really did.
Do you need help with the French?
No, I got it. I've been doing French lessons. I really worked on this, but now I'm gotten nervous. Okay. The Centre intégré universitaire de santé et de services sociaux de Centre-Ouest-de-l'Île-de-Montréal. Thank you. The applause really goes for the award. In line with their vision to provide care everywhere, they initiated the Hospital at Home program as a value-based care initiative for patients with COVID. The organization's Hospital at Home is a range of services that allows hospitalized patients to continue their hospitalization in their home environment with family. We're really going to see a transformation of the way care is delivered, and the home is a wonderful site of care for many patients. I'm really pleased to introduce Erin Cook, who's the Associate Director of Quality, Transformation, Evaluation, Value, Ethics, Virtual Care, to accept this award. Congratulations to Erin.
Thank you, everybody. The bar for the speeches is going higher, so I hope I do it justice. It's really with great pleasure that I accept the reward on behalf of our Hospital at Home team at CIUSSS Centre Ouest, and I'm privileged to be here as a representative of the group, a few of which were able to smuggle on stage this evening. So in January of 2022, when we were in the middle of the 5th wave of the COVID pandemic, which was particularly challenging for us, CEO of our organization called us to a meeting on a Friday afternoon at 2 p.m. And he told us that he wanted a hospital at home in place for Monday morning. Yeah. Over the course of that weekend, we mobilized over 70 people across the entire organization to make this a success. And a year and a half later, we've cared for over 350 patients. I promise you, on that Friday afternoon, I never thought we'd be accepting an award a few months later. And I'm sharing this with you because it's a nice story of how teams across an entire continuum of care can come together in a time of crisis to find solutions to our biggest challenges. But the biggest success of the initiative was the clinical impact it has on the patients that we serve. From day one, we decided that we wanted to build this program as a value-based care initiative in which care was coordinated across the entire continuum around the needs of the patients, using technology to support clinical practice, and most importantly, based on outcomes that were important to patients. This has demonstrated incredible value, with 100% of the patients reporting that their care in hospital at home was their preferred way of receiving care, and 93% reporting a more rapid recovery, and this for half the cost of running a standard hospital unit. And so by focusing our measure of value-based care on high-quality, safe care that demonstrates good outcomes for patients, we'll keep our guiding principles that will allow us to sustain healthcare for years to come. So on behalf of our team, I thank the Canadian College of Health Leaders. I also thank Medtronic for choosing to support this initiative and choosing value-based care as one of your strategic priorities. A big thank you to the entire CIUSSS team, many of which couldn't be with us tonight, who continues on this adventure despite the challenges that we've had. And finally, in honor of our organization's leadership, I want to thank our CEO, who is not with us, and our associate CEO for allowing us the freedom to innovate in healthcare for the benefits of our patients. We're truly privileged to work with such dedicated individuals. And so in closing, I'm looking forward to seeing more and more value-based care initiatives as we continue to transform the future of the Canadian healthcare system.